Hi, I'm Alex and I'm the Academic Manager here at Edinburgh Language Centre. So the school was established in 2002. We're located right in the centre of Edinburgh on George Street, so we get lovely views of the castle from a lot of the classroom windows. Last year we welcomed students from over 40 different countries. So Edinburgh is a capital city, but it's a small, safe, friendly capital city. It's easy to walk around. There are great transport links and lots of green open spaces. On the first day, students are welcomed at reception. They then have a written test and a speaking test. They receive a full induction and then they go to class at 11 o'clock. The school has 14 classrooms. They're all fitted with an interactive whiteboard. So we offer a range of courses from general English to exam preparation, so that's IELTS preparation and Cambridge exams. In 2015 we became a Cambridge computer-based test centre. We've just started a new partnership with EIC Navitas, and that's pathway courses to university. We also offer a English plus coding course which focuses specifically on English for computer programming. So we have the study centre, which is open every afternoon, where students can go and have support with university applications. We run CV writing clinics, book clubs, and there's always a teacher there to help and support students. We have a varied social programme. For example, on Monday we have a guided walking tour through the city, where students can learn about the history of Edinburgh and sort of really experience the city close up. We also offer conversation clubs, and we like to use our common room as well. So we have film nights with pizza or maybe table tennis tournaments, things like that. As well as being a UNESCO World Heritage Site, Edinburgh was recently voted best city to live in the UK.
Fantastic.
Wonderful.
Enriching.
Beautiful.
Fantastic.
Come and see for yourself.